Follow those dreams within OnPassive. If you want to enlarge your life, you must first enlarge your thought of it and yourself. Hold the ideal of yourself as you long to be. Your ideal of what you long to attain, the ideal of health, efficiency, fun, and success. You can lift yourself by your thoughts. Your vision will help you climb mountains. High achievement always takes place in a framework of high expectation. You'll become as small as your controlling desire or as great as your dominant aspiration. The courage to follow your dreams is your first step towards destiny. When you cease to dream, you cease to live. Warmest regards, your fellow legacy leaver, Robert Tantullo. Please like, subscribe, and share this video with the ones you love by clicking the like and subscribe buttons above. Thank you and have a blessed day.